So, you're thinking about installing an EV charging station at home, but you're not sure what it'll actually cost, or if it's even worth it. Well, I've been there. It was less intimidating than I expected, but full of surprises. First off, why even bother? For me, convenience. I was tired of hunting for public chargers and waiting around. I wanted to wake up every morning to a fully charged car, ready to go. So I started with research. Level 1. Standard outlet. Very slow. Level 2. Much faster. Needs special install. I went with Level 2 because patience is not my strong suit. Now let's talk numbers. The charger itself cost me about $600. There are cheaper options. Scheduling, energy monitoring. You can find basic models for as low as $300. But here's where it gets interesting. Installation. This is where I recommend not cutting corners. I called up 3 local electricians for quotes. Prices ranged from $800 to $1,500. I ended up paying around $1,100 because my electrical panel was already in decent shape. If you need a panel upgrade, expect to pay more, sometimes up to $2,500 total. So, all in, I spent about $1,700 from start to finish. Was it cheap? Not exactly. Charging at home is way cheaper than gas, or even most public charging stations. Plus, some states and utilities offer rebates. I actually got $300 back just for installing the charger. Check your local programs. Seriously, it's free money. The installation itself took about 3 hours. The electrician mounted the unit in my garage. They ran a new line from the panel and made sure everything was up to code. Watching them work made me glad I didn't try to DIY this. Now, every night I just plug in and forget about it. No more range anxiety. No more detours to find a charger. And honestly, it feels good to know my car is charging up on my schedule. If you're on the fence, my advice is to call around for quotes and ask about rebates. It might seem like a big investment up front, but if you plan to keep your EV for a few years, it pays for itself. Plus, it's just plain convenient. So that's my real-world breakdown of what it cost me to install an EV charging station at home. If you've got questions, drop them in the comments. I'm happy to help. And if you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more honest takes on living with an EV. Thanks for watching and happy charging.